Sneaker world, internets, this is a drip ejector with a flavor selective and always with that Sumter, South Carolina perspective. Today we taking a look at the Satin Bred Jordan 1s. Yes, not the number pair from 2016, but the 2023 versions, the woman's exclusive. So let's get to it. I have seen reports online about some people pairs having mold on them. So hopefully my pair comes out looking clean and pristine because we need these, y'all. So let's get to it. I'm about to get the first look with y'all. Let's unbox it. This is a women's exclusive, so I had to go for a size 11. That's a 9.5 in men's size, my size. I know these did not come in extended sizes, so Bigfoot gang, sorry y'all could not secure these pairs. I got them. The box, I like this box, y'all. It's like a reverse OG box. Everything that used to be black is red and vice versa with that black Nike. So let's get to it. First thing you see when you open the box is this black bag. I'm not sure what we're supposed to do with this. I guess you could just, I don't know, put little things. I don't know why they included this bag. Like, y'all, Jordan Brand, what are we supposed to put in this bag? I mean, it's cool. We always like free accessories, so the quality of it is pretty good. But I don't know what I'll be using this bag for. Appreciate it, Jordan Brand. Let's get to the sneakers, though. Y'all, these are the Satin Breds in that high top cut. Now, in 2016, they came out with something very similar. I never got to see them in hand, but they was numbered. I think they was limited to 500 pairs, and those pairs are selling for like $3,000 a pop, maybe even more. I don't know. So for them to retro it and make it very similar, y'all, I don't know, man. I honestly feel like it's not numbered, so it's not hype. So now these pairs are not as desired. But if you really like the Bred Jordan 1, if you really like the satin finish, why not secure a pair if you can get them in your size? And honestly, in hand, these are pretty nice, y'all. Like, I think these are going to look super dope on feet. Honestly, my only thing I'm concerned about is that toe box, y'all. Like, how is this satin material going to hold up after you walk in them all day and get some creases? Like, is it going to look good? Red Nike Air on the tongue. Still got the ball and wings logo. Outsole is still traditional. And we have the spare laces, and it's a red pair. I don't know. Which one would y'all do? Would y'all go red, or y'all just keep it OG with the black laces? I might mix it up, y'all. I might put one red lace, one black lace, but I feel like you can't go wrong with the black laces. Whatever the tongue is, you should probably keep the lace that color. Sometimes I get funky with it, but I think I'm going to go black laces. I don't know. I'll decide. Stay tuned to my Instagram because y'all know I'm going to put a fit together. Everybody on earth has something in their closet right now that can go with a Bred colorway. So, I mean, it looks like I got a good pair. There's no mold on mine. They look absolutely beautiful. Very clean. Silver lace tips on the laces. I think that's something that is different from this pair versus the limited 500 pair, numbered pair, that is. I think the lace tips was a different color on the limited pair. But I don't know. From everything that I have seen online, these look very similar, y'all. Very, very similar. Hold on. Let me check my other pair to make sure I don't got no mold on them because I don't want to get too excited and then I have a faulty pair. Hold on. Yeah, man, my pair is looking very, very nice, y'all. Y'all, these are super clean in hand. Also, inside, red insole. It's kind of true to a Bred colorway, just with a satin finish. Y'all, these are nice, especially if you don't have the leather pair. This is gonna be a nice substitute until they retro them. But until the next episode, peace and love, y'all.